So, guys, a friend of mine reached out to me and was like, "Bro, my TikTok account has been banned." And I was like, "What really happened?" And he said he don't really know, that he just woke up one morning only for him to find out that his account is gone, that he can't access his TikTok account anymore. And I was like, "What really happened?" So he said he don't really know. I said, "Okay." I take a deeper dive into the account and find out that this particular person has been given warning severally. They have been warning him on the type of content that he posts, copyright issues, site unstable health, a lot of things. But he don't really take note of all those things because ignorant, they say, is another thing. He don't really know, right? Till all those things are accumulated to the extent that he lost his account. It's just quite unfortunate, right? So in this particular video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can be able to monitor your TikTok account, how you can be able to monitor your TikTok health and make sure that your account is always at safer hands, right? Wherever there is an issue with your TikTok account, it is going to be notified there, because a lot of people don't really get notification when they get a copyright strike or when they do some things that goes against the community guideline. Okay, so I don't really want, let me say, what happened to him to happen to any of us, right? Because it's quite painful. That's how he lost the account that he has been building for a while right now. So now, this is what you have to do. Make sure you do this frequently so that you will maintain a stable TikTok account and you will make sure that your TikTok account is already at safe hands at all time. Okay, so it's as simple as that. Firstly, you have to make sure you are in your home session right here. If possible, make sure you are doing this every day, okay? So that you'll be seeing all the latest trends and everything that is happening in your account, knowing fully well that you are in control, okay? So now, once you are in your home dashboard right here, in your profile, you come to this three dotted line over here. Then you see this first one that I wrote, TikTok Studio. Click on TikTok Studio. All right, here you will see all your engagements and everything. This is just a recap of everything that is happening in your account and so on and so forth, right? So before I do that, this my account is a foreign account, so that's why you guys are seeing that I'm just building it up. I don't really have much followers right here, but if you don't really mind, after watching this video, you can as well follow me and I will follow you back. Okay, I'm going to be dropping the username and link in the description section and comment section of this video. So let me show you guys this place that they wrote more tools. I think it's out of what I really want to show, but let me just show you guys this particular place that they wrote monetization. So this is what you use to know a foreign account. So this is this creator reward program. It shows that this particular account is not an African Nigerian account. This is a UK account, and I created it here in Nigeria completely free without spending a dime. Okay, so in my upcoming videos, I will show you guys how you too can be able to set up a foreign UK or US TikTok account here in Nigeria or every other part of Africa, right? And once you reach the monetization threshold, you are going to be monetized and you will start getting paid for your video views. Okay, so that one will be coming up in our previous video. So all you have to do is just to make sure that if you are not subscribed to our channel, hit the subscription button and turn on the bell notification so that whenever that update drops, it's going to drop anytime soon. Okay, whenever the update drops, YouTube will notify you that there's an update on our channel and you'll be among the first people that will know how to do that. Okay, so now let me show you guys what I want to show you. Once you are in this particular session, you come to this place that they wrote account check. A lot of people don't really know about this, but it is very, very crucial and important. You click on account check right here. Then they will check your account to see if you have any issue. Okay, to see if you have any issue in your account or if everything is okay. So they are now checking my account. Hola guys, you guys can see they say your account is in good standing. Thank you for following our community guidelines, helping us keep TikTok safe. So I hope you guys can see this. So when I told this particular guy, though he cannot be able to access it anymore, so to see about all those things, right? But once you have any issue in your TikTok account, when you check this, they will show you the problems you have. Okay, you will see the problems you have. The ones that requires appeal, you appeal. The ones that require you to take down the video or stuff like that, or take some certain actions, they will tell you what to do. But if you find your account everything's safe in green like this, then just know that you are following the community rules. Okay, so do well to be doing this most often so that you will take charge of your account. So I'll just say, is this too helpful? I will say yes. Okay, so then I will go out. So that's just how to take notes and make sure that your TikTok account is always safe, right? That you don't really have any issue that is bothering your account. Okay, so that is just that in this particular video. So just do well to follow us and I will follow back like I said earlier. And the video on how to create a foreign UK US TikTok account here in Nigeria or any other African part or any other ineligible countries will be dropping anytime soon. Just make sure you subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell notification so that you don't miss out on that. Okay, so till I come your way next time, stay safe, keep winning and enjoy your day. Bye.